Larson Electronics is an industrial lighting and power company that provides lighting, transformers, power distribution units, light masts, and electrical controls. We build our products in-house such as stadium lighting, portable explosion-proof lighting, handheld lighting, and more. We manufacture a wide variety of three-phase and single-phase portable power distribution systems. Our comprehensive line of light masts and towers ensures that your worksite will remain productive. We offer customization and a massive inventory of in-stock units for fast turnaround. Founded in 1973, Larson takes pride in building, packaging, and shipping products to our customers worldwide. Our in-house team of electricians, welders, builders, and quality control will ensure you get the perfect product to fill your needs. From large to small, we do it all. At Larson Electronics, we build what you need. Call now.